All right, the recording has begun. This is day number 4, week 5 of our journey together. Yes, day number 4, week 5 of our journey. And it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here. Definitely excited for tonight's class because we are continuing in our skills building territory. We did a lot of geometrical rules, but we are actually on fractions. So we are on a fractions theme, and it's definitely good that we are here building on what we learned yesterday. So what we learned yesterday was we learned a lot about, how to add fractions. But we dealt with the same denominator of 5, and I think it was 5 and 3. So today I'm going to teach you how to add fractions. And also subtract fractions. I think I could also include that. Add and subtract fractions, where the denominators are just not the same, right? They don't have to be 5 and 3, all right? It could be any denominator, and your job is to, of course, find LCM and work from there, okay? So let's do something. Let's do for adding fractions, but where the denominators is not 5 and 3. All right, so today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, the 3rd of July, 2023. August, thank you, August 2023. The subject is, of course, mathematics. And we are on the fractions theme. Okay. Miss Erica.
Hey, I'm here.
Thank you for taking time with your busy schedule to be with us.
Yes, I have an hour, so you
Yeah.
get what I could get.
Yeah. I'm like, wow, that's what you call commitment. So thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so let's add these fractions. Like I said, we're gonna add and subtract them. Okay, so and they're gonna be with unlike denominators. So topic. So adding and subtracting fractions. With unlike denominators. All right. All right, so let's begin. So let's begin with these ones. So let's say we have number 1. So for number 1, we have let's say we have the come on, Elijah, I'm speaking to you. I don't know why you're in the class if you're not gonna respond. That don't make no sense. Olivia, what's the first thing that we do?
Find LCM
Of what?
9 and 10.
Of 9 and 7. Very good. So we have to find LCM of 9 and 7. So we have 9. What is the multiples of 9, Teo? What are multiples of 9, Tia? Tia Minutes, are you there? Can't hear from Tia. Let me list the multiples then. The multiples of 9 is going to be 9. After 9, we have 18.
Yes, sir.
I can't hear you for some reason.
Maybe you're gonna log out and come back in, see if that works. 9, 18, 36, times 5, 45, times 6, 54, times 7, 63, times 8, 72, and so on. All right, so those are the other ones. Those are the multiples of 9. Let's go on to multiples of 7. Multiples of 7 is going to be 7, Destiny, help me out. 14. What else?
21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56.
Okay. It's gonna be
it?
21, 7, 14. Yeah, I need some more. 7, 14, 21.
28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84.
So 7 times 4 is 28, 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 7 is what? 49. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 9 is what? 63. 7 times 10 is 70. And so on. So based on this, Kai, what is the lowest common multiple? Kai, what is the lowest common multiple of these two?
Out of 9, 7.
Yeah, out of 9, 17. Out of 9, 7, yes.
63.
Yeah, 63. So it's 63.
Yes, sir.
And so we have 9 times what? What times 9? Where's Alasia? Alasia, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Why when I was calling you earlier, you were not answering?
My mic wasn't working.
What times 9 is 63? Alasia.
7.
7. Whatever we do to the bottom, we must do to the what? To the top. Next up, we have Jeremy. What times 7 is 63? Jeremy, what times 7 is 63? All right, I guess you don't know your timetables. Erica, what time 7 is 6? 9? After you already look in the back of the book.
Yes, so 9.
Why it take so long to answer?
I found the space for the keep working with the old corporate.
I don't understand you. Whatever we do to the top, we do to the bottom. Whatever we do to the bottom, we do to the top. It's gonna be equal to 9 times 7 is what?
63.
63. 7 times 9 is what?
63.
63. All right, 5 times 7 is what?
Which one?
5 times 7 is what?
35.
35, yes. And 3 times 9 is what?
27.
27. Good. All right, so now we have to add. What is 35 plus 27? What is 35 plus 27?
62.
62. Very good. 62. So the answer is going to be 62 over what?
63.
Over
63.
63. Very good. 62 over 63. Now, do we have to simplify this?
No, sir.
No.
What's that?
No, not in this case, because it's already a proper fraction, so we don't have to simplify that. Let's move on to question number 2.
How come it is a proper fraction?
Because the top number is lower than the bottom number.
Yes, sir.
All right, number 2. All right, now that's addition with different denominators. Hello? Is your mommy aware of this? Oh, okay. I know she invited me too. I'm like, how can I attend the meeting if I have a if I but that's fine. I'll have to watch recording. Yeah, the Ricky. All right then. See you soon. That's what I'm saying. See you soon. All right, number 2. Okay, so that's addition. So let's do one with subtraction. Okay, so again, we can choose any denominator we want, and we could do the same thing. So and just subtract it. So for example, we can have let's say we have 4, and we can say 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2. This is very easy. 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2. So for this one, what's the first thing we're gonna do? Kenyon, are you there? Is Kenyon there? I don't know if his mic was working. Kenyon, are you there? Kenyon from Kenyon. Ramon, what is the first thing that we do? Ramon, you have to speak into the mic. You have to speak into the mic. We have to hear you, man. Come on.
Lowest terms.
It's not called lowest terms. It's called lowest common multiple.
I mean, lowest common multiple.
Very good. With lowest common multiple of what?
4 and 2.
Of 4 and 2. List the multiples of 4 for me, please.
4,
Uh-huh.
8,
8,
12,
12,
16.
and 16. Why you sound like you asking me? You're supposed to know your 4 timetables. Come on. You're going to grade 9. Number 2. 2 times tables, Ramon.
2,
Uh-huh.
4,
2, 4, uh-huh.
6,
6,
8.
8. Very good. What is the lowest common multiple of 4 and 2, Ramon?
8,
Not 8. There's a number that is lower than that.
4.
4. Very good. So 4 is the lowest common multiple. So we're gonna put it's gonna be equal to 4. All right. Okay, good. So that means that 4 is our denominator. Good. Tyrone,
Yes, sir.
what do we do after this? Were you in class yesterday?
No, sir. I was sleeping.
What? And you have the audacity to say that? Why were you sleeping? Your mommy know that?
Yes, sir.
Sleeping from what? Were you sick or what?
I was working yesterday.
And she allowed you to skip class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's between you and your mommy. You missed a lot yesterday. All right. I don't think you even know what to do afterwards, so I'm not gonna ask you. That means you have to pay extra attention today, Tyrone. And when you miss class like that, you need to ask your cousin. I think Ramon is your, I don't know what he is to you, brother or cousin or something. Ask him for homework.
Cousin.
Okay. Ask him if you miss any homework or whatever, so that he can send you the notes. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
All right, Shoshone, what do we do after this? Shoshone. Hello, Shoshone, are you there? I know our internet isn't working as properly as it should.
Let me try it. All
Go ahead.
right. Okay. What we do is we times 4 times
4 times what? 4 times 2.
2. Mm-hmm.
Why are we doing 4 times 2? I just catch myself. Why are we doing 4 times 2?
Because 2 is the bottom. I don't know how you say it, but yeah.
What do we want the bottom number to be?
Pardon me?
What do we want the denominator to be in this case? We want it to be 4, right?
Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm.
So what times 4 gives you 4?
What times 4 give me 4?
Yes.
Don't make me lie, man. 2.
No.
1.
1.
What? No. So I tell you to make me lie.
Say no, baby. I like that. 4 times 1 is 4. Very
4.
good. And so whatever we do to the bottom, we do to the
To the top.
So 3 times 1 is going to be 3. Okay, now we still want to make 4 the denominator here. So what times 2 gives me 4?
A quick question. I just need to have 1. I mean, you have 1. 2 times 1, 4 times 1. Why is it 1?
It's 1 because we ask ourselves, because this denominator is already 4 and the LCM is 4.
Okay.
So like we don't need to change this. It's
So that's
2. It's 2. It's that's just itself. It's 2 that needs to change because remember we found that the LCM is 4 already. And we asked ourselves what times 4 gives us 4, and the answer is 1. So whatever we multiply at the bottom, we must do it to the top.
Because you know what I did?
What you did?
I did 3 times 2, 4 times 2, right? So it gives me 8. It gives me 8 to the bottom. Like 4 times 2 gives me 8. 2 times 4 gives me 8.
Yes.
And
So
3 times 2 gives me 6. And 1 times 4 gives me 4.
So you use
So
8 as your use 8 as your LCM.
Okay.
But 8 is not the LCM.
4 is.
4 is. Okay. So what times 2 gives me 4?
What times 2 gives me 4? You say it again. 2 times 4?
What times 2 gives me 4?
2.
Hello?
What times 2 gives me 4?
What times 2 gives you 4?
Yes.
Man. I tell you I know my timetable. You know how long I've been on the school?
2.
Anyone can help her?
4.
2.
2. Very good. 2.
2 times 2 give
See? I know
Very
it.
good.
Don't worry, I can stop that. I can make sure
Yes,
that's my
yeah.
number one thing.
Yeah, you have to study your timetables. That's very important.
Yeah, I sure do. I rusty bad.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, it's very hard to teach you math if you don't know your timetables. That's gonna be difficult.
Yeah, I
Okay.
did know it. I ain't gonna lie.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. All right, so 2 times 2 is 4. And whatever we do to the bottom, we must do to the top. So it's gonna be 1 times 2, which is gonna be 2 over 4. Chai, what's the next thing we do?
We subtract
We subtract. Subtract what?
3 minus 2.
What is 3
Which will
minus 2? What is 3 minus 2?
1.
1. Very good. So the answer is 1 over what?
4.
1 over 4. Very good. Good. All right. Any questions on this, on how we got it?
I have a question.
Go ahead, Jeremy.
So if the number is less than denominator, the less the denominator is less than the denominator is proper fraction.
Yes. So if the, say it again, if the what? If the what?
Is the denominator lower than the denominator? Is it the proper fraction?
Okay, so if the top number is less than the bottom number, then it's a proper fraction. So these are proper fractions. We don't have to do nothing with them. Both of them are proper fractions because the top number is less than the bottom number. All right.
And then one is the top is higher than the denominator. You have to.
That's when you divide.
Okay,
Okay.
got it.
It's not okay. I keep on telling you about that. It's either yes, sir, or no, send this class. I keep on telling you about that.
Mr. Patricia, you could do another one for me, please.
Of course. We will do
Okay.
another one. Another 2 to be exact. So
That's it. Thank you.
So both of these are proper fractions. Why? Because
The top number,
the
less
top
than the
number is
bottom.
less, yeah. That's why they are proper fractions. All right, so let's move on to another one. All right, so let's move on to the next question. Add or subtract the following fractions. Where's Talia?
Yes, sir.
Why you just come in this class? Why? Why
I
you just
just-
come in this class?
Because I just reached home.
So your mother or you couldn't send me a message and tell me it's gonna be late?
She could have sent a message. She didn't. I don't know.
You couldn't say, Mommy, can you message my teacher? I don't understand y'all these days, man. Please don't let that happen again. If you gonna be late from wherever you're gonna go, just tell her to send me a message. Let me know you're gonna be late. But you can't just come in there casually at 6:27. You know how much you miss? You need to stop it. Communicate. I keep on telling you about that. And that goes for everyone. If you're gonna be late, send a message. If you're gonna be absent, send a message. Let me know. All right, so add instructions, add or subtract the following fractions. All right, so and then when you grow up, you do the same thing on the people job. Come when you feel like, go when you feel like, no communication. You get fired so quick, you don't know how quick you get fired. It's these same habits that you all start from when you're young and you go in the man job and do the same foolishness. And then people who work in there that have to pick up your slack. Please, you're not gonna start those habits in my class. If you are late, send a message. If you're gonna be absent, send a message. Let me know. But you can't come in there when you feel like. All right. So let's do another one. So let's say we have 5. Let's say we have 3/5 plus 4/6. All right, so what's the first thing we're gonna do, Alasia?
Find the lowest common multiple of 5 and 6.
Very good. So we have to find the lowest common multiple of 5 and 6. Tyrone, what are the multiples of 5 and 6? Let's start with the multiples of 5. Go ahead, Tyrone. What are multiples of 5?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
So 5,
10,
10,
15,
15,
20,
20.
25.
30,
35,
35.
35, 40.
We can start by 35. Now let's do the 6 timetables.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30,
24.
30.
Okay, and what else?
35.
Not 30, not 35. 35 is not a multiple of
Oh,
6.
not 35, 36.
It's 36. Come on. All right. What is the lowest common multiple, Tyrone?
It's 30.
30. Very good.
If we move on.
So the lowest common multiple of 5 and 6 is going to be 30.
This is Mr. D. Can I have a question before we move on?
Say it again.
I have a question before we move on.
Go ahead. What's the question?
We have social studies today, right?
If we have what?
Social studies just today.
That's correct. Yes, we do. So it's going to be equal to so what times 5 gives me 30? Destiny. What times 5 gives me 30?
6.
Very good. 6 times 5 gives me 30. Also, Darnik, whatever we do to the bottom, we do to the top. So what times 6, Darnik, gives me 30?
5.
Very good. 6 times 5. And whatever we do to the bottom, we must do to the top. All right, so it's going to be plus 5 times 6 is what?
30.
30. Very good. Tulicia, 3 times 6 is what? 3 times 6.
18.
18. Very good. And Kai, what is 6 times 5?
Pardon?
What is 6 times 5?
6 times 5 is 30.
And what is 4 times 5?
4 times 5 is 20.
It's 20. Very good. All right, so Ramon Raming, what do we do at this point?
You add.
Say it again.
You add.
We add. Very good. Class, what is 18 over 30? I mean, what is 18 plus 20?
38.
38. Very good. So it'll be 38 over what?
30.
Very good. 38 over 30. Now what do we do at this point? Is this a proper fraction or improper fraction?
Improper. It's a proper. But we have to turn it.
Improper fraction. So what do we have to do with this?
Divide.
Divide. Very good. So we say how much times 30 goes into what?
38.
38. How much times 30 goes into 38?
Once.
Once. Very good. 30 times 1 is what?
30.
30. And 38 minus 30 is what?
8.
8. So what's our whole number?
1.
1. What's our numerator?
8.
8. And what's our denominator?
30.
30. So it's going to be equal to 1.
1 whole and 8
And
over
what?
30.
And 8 over 30. Very good. 8 over 30. All right. Can we simplify this some more? What numbers go into both 30 and 8?
2.
2. Very good. It's going to be equal to 1. 8 divided by 2 is what?
4.
4. And 15 and 30 divided. 30 divided by 2 is what? What's 30 divided by 2?
15.
15. Very good. So the answer is going to be 1 and 4 over 15.
This is the other question.
Go ahead.
I thought you said if the denominator number is lower than the denominator, it's fine.
Say it again.
I thought you said that as the denominator is the lower number, and denominator is the highest number, I'm saying this is if the denominator is less than the denominator, it says good, right?
Okay, listen carefully, Jeremy. Look, let's go back. If your denominator is bigger, so the bottom is bigger. If the bottom is bigger, then you're good. It's a proper fraction. It's like how we say proper fraction, it's right there, right? You don't have to make this hard. If the denominator is bigger, then it's a proper fraction. You don't have to do nothing. But here, clearly you can see the denominator is smaller. So of course it's gonna be an improper fraction. You understand that?
Yes, but how we get the simplify it 30?
Say it again.
But how did it got 8 and 30 if the denominator is less than the denominator?
I get barely hear you. Say it again.
So how we was able to simplify 8 and 30?
Oh, for this one, we just simplified it. We didn't change it into a proper fraction. We just simplify it. So we don't have to divide. We don't have to change it into a proper fraction. We just have to simplify it. If it's 8 and 30, we could do that. You could reduce proper fractions. Okay. That's possible.
Yes, I got it.
All right, the next question is going to be subtraction. So let's look at, say, 7. Let's say we have 6 over 7. And we have 3 over 5. Okay, so 6 over 7 and 3 over 5. What's the first thing that we are going to do to Leo?
Find the lowest common multiple of 7 and 5.
Very good. We'll find the lowest common multiple of 7 and 5. What is the multiples of 7 to Leo?
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, and 49.
Okay, so the chance already. Seven, 14, 21 times 4, 28 times 5, 35 times 6, 42 times 7, 49. And we continue just like that. And then we have number 5, multiples of 5 to Leo.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35.
5, 10, 15. Thank you. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. All right. So that means that the lowest common multiple, say, is what? Of 5 and 7 is what? Taya, are you there?
Yes, sir. Sorry,
So,
can you repeat the question?
what is the lowest common multiple of 5 and 7?
It is 35.
35. Deshaun, are you there? Deshaun Pinder, are you there? So the answer, the LCM is 35. All right, so after we have it, like this, Darnik, what are we gonna do?
We're going to multiply 6 times 5.
What are we gonna multiply the 7 by?
5 as
Okay.
well.
Mhm.
5 times 7 and 3 times 7.
Okay. Alasia, what is 7 times 5?
35.
35. And what is 6 times 5?
5.
What is 6 times 5, Alasia?
30.
30. And so we also do is we do 5 times 7. Jeremy, what is 5 times 7?
35.
35. Tyrone, what is 3 times 7?
24.
3 times 7 is 24. You sure of that?
Yes,
Think
sir.
again. Nope, 3 times 7. 3 times 7. How in the world 3 times 7 is
Oh,
21?
21. Sorry.
21. All right, now what do we do at this point, Olivia?
30 minus 21.
Very good, so we subtract 30 and 21.
Which is 9.
10 minus 1 is 9. And 2 minus 2 is 0. It's going to be 9 over what? 35. Good. Is there a number that can go in the both 9 and 35 without leaving the remainder? The answer is no. So the answer is 9 over 35. Alasia, where's Alasia, Thomas?
Yes, sir.
Why don't I have my homework?
I wasn't able to send it. I was out all day.
And you really believe that's excuse. That's what you really believe. What did I say yesterday? I specifically said yesterday, if you are going out tomorrow, do the homework after class. And currently it's 6:47 and I do not have my homework from you. That makes me introduce to you something very well, Miss Alasia. This is not the class where you do not do your homework. You hear me? I don't know what you do at Bombs Academy. But you're not gonna come in my class and not do homework. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
So what you need to do is you need to send that homework. And more than that, you're gonna stay back and do some more assignments because you can't be not doing my homework. You're not respecting deadlines. And you wouldn't even send a message. Darnik,
Yes, sir.
what time was my homework due?
At 3,
So why are you sending my homework at 6 something?
because the Wi-Fi was down.
The Wi-Fi is down all day until 6. It just magically turned on at 6? That's what you're telling me?
We came back up at like round 4, but I forgot.
You can't be forgetting your homework. You understand me?
So,
Do not forget your homework. That's very important. The culture of this class is when I give homework, my homework is done on time. That's the culture of this class. If you don't like the culture, find another class. But if I give you a homework, you need to respect the deadlines. You need to respect the homework. You understand me?
yes, sir.
So when I give the next homework assignment, I don't want you to be sending it at 6 o'clock. It's done at 3. Do it at 3. On or before 3. Don't be sending something that is due at 3 o'clock, 6 something. That don't make no sense. You understand me, Darnie? You just reach. You just reach in this class. You can't be having that habit. Talia, where's my homework?
I sending it now.
You can't be sending your homework now. It was due at 3. You cannot be sending it now.
I didn't have none of my stuff at 3.
You know the honest excuse, right? If you knew you had something to do on the next day, I told you all this from yesterday. I said, if you have something to do on the morrow, make sure to do it right after class. But what you decide to do is, I don't know what you decide to do, but you didn't do what you're supposed to do, which is turn my assignment on time. I don't know why you was finding everything to do except doing what you're supposed to do. Just sending in the homework at what? What time is it? It's 6. It's what? 6:50, and you just sending in the homework? Come on, Talia, you have to be better than that. Shoshone, where's the homework? Who else? I think that's everyone. I think that's everyone. Chai sent in his homework. Destiny sent in homework. Erica sent in homework. Miss Olivia sent in the homework. Jevin sent in the homework. These people serious about this class. Taya sent in the homework. Shiana, she decided to send homework at 5 something. I don't understand that. Shekinah. It was due at 3 o'clock. Don't start this habit in this class. I'm not gonna have a class where my deadlines are not recognized. Y'all need to stop. And when you go to school, you do the same thing. And some of you go to private schools, your parents paying good money, and you're not applying yourself. That's the same problem. It starts with one homework assignment. And it doesn't only apply to my class, whatever class you go to. Parents sacrificing so much, man, carrying y'all to school, bringing y'all home back, and you wouldn't do your homework? You need to wake up. A lot of y'all in this class need to wake up before it's too late and you're 83. And you ain't accomplished nothing in your life yet. You need to stop.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit. I gotta leave you now.
Yeah, no problem. You can go.
All right.
I'll
Okay.
send you the homework,
All right, thank you.
but it's disgusting. And plenty of y'all need to stop. When I give you your homework, do the homework on time and stop giving me these lazy excuses. All right, let's go. Okay, so for those who send in their homework, I will mark them. And send you your grade. So let's do the grade exercise. All right, so the grade exercise is gonna be on adding and subtracting fractions. We're gonna have some questions based on that. And I want you to do them for me. I have one person and one more person I have to talk to. Kenyan. Hello? Where's my homework, Kenyan? You want to send the homework in? Did you send in this chat? No. Show me it. Point to it in this chat. Let me see. I know I'm blind. Go ahead, show me it. No, my bad. You said you sent it. So you're lying. No, you didn't. That's why I'm asking you now. You want me constantly asking me how you doing in this class. And you decide that you're not sending homework. That don't make no sense, Kenyan. Made this the first and last time, you hear me? When I give you homework, send it on time, don't forget it. I know you don't forget to eat, so you can be forgetting your homework. All right. So we're gonna add and subtract the following fractions. So they're gonna be different denominators. So seeing that they're different denominators, you still gotta operate on them, like how we operate with different denominators, all right? So we can start off easy, and I guess we can progress with the different denominators, right? So let's do 2/3 plus a half. I think we could start nice and small. And then number 2, we can do 3/4 minus 2/3. Number 3, we can do number 3, we can do let's say 8. So we do 7/8 plus 3/5. Hello?
But see,
Yes, Jeremy?
if the denominator is a prime number, you still have to simplify.
Say it again?
If the denominator is a prime number, then you still have to simplify.
Yeah, of course. You mean simplify or find the lowest common multiple?
Simplify.
If the denominator is what? A prime number?
The numerator is the prime number.
No, you can't simplify that. So let's say we have 9, and let's say we have 6/9 minus 3/4. Ooh, I don't want that to be. I want us to let's do 2/4. And then we have number 5. I'm just gonna give you all 5. Let me put this on the other side. So for number 5, we're gonna say say let's say this is 12. So we have 9/12 plus 8/11. All right, so just those 5, please do them for me, please. Then once you're finished, then you can take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, please do this work. And then once you finish, you can send it to me via WhatsApp. All right, hi everyone, what number are you on?
Are you number 2?
Number 2. Do you understand what to do?
Yes, sir, I understand what you do.
That's good. Tristan, are you there? Tristan, are you there? All right, can't ask for Tristan. Sarah, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, Zarens, you're the next one. You're another one. Where's my homework?
I forget to do it.
You can't be forgetting to do homework, so. This is not the class. Listen, this is not the class to be forgetting to do homework, Zarens. Did you forget to eat today? No, you don't ever forget to eat. So I'm gonna be forgetting my homework. Hello?
I don't know, I just forget to do it.
You can't be forgetting my homework, Zarens. You have to do the homework. If the homework was assigned, it was meant to be done. It's no way in heaven's earth that I have to be chasing you around for your homework, your own homework. If you don't take responsibility for your life, what do you think to do that? Stop starting bad habits young, Zarens. You hear me?
So,
Make this your first and last time, man. So what you're gonna do is you're not gonna leave this call until I get my homework. That's what you're gonna do. And what that means, I can't trust you to do no more homework. So when I assign homework, you gotta do it in class before you go. That's exactly what's gonna happen. Because clearly I can't trust you to do no homework. You need to stop, man. Forgetting everything. Tell you what number you on.
Number 3.
Okay. Talia, what number are you on?
Number 2.
Do you understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shekinah, what number you on? Shekinah, what number are you on? Shekinah, are you there? Sorry, Mike, you there? Shekinah, are you there? I can't hear from Shekinah. Shoshone, are you there? Shekinah says number 2. All right. Shion, what number you on?
Number 3.
Number 3, okay, good. Ramon, Raming, what number you on?
Number 2.
Ramon, do you understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
So Shoni, you in the same boat. Why you just sending my homework? You need to stop, man. Stop doing that. Send the homework on time. Olivia, what number you on?
5. You heard me, Mr. D?
I heard you. Number 5. That's good. Now, what number you on?
I'm on number, right now I'm in between notes.
Say it again.
I don't necessarily know what number I'm on because I'm looking at my notes right now.
I don't understand.
Like, I'm going through my notes. I need a second. I'm on number 4.
With how much have you completed?
1 through 3.
Okay, once you finish number 4, let me see the 4. Let me see how you writing them down. Bailey,
Yes, sir.
what number are you on? Bailey, what number are you on?
I just went on to number 7.
Number 7. You're
Yes,
moving
sir.
pretty fast. Let me see 1 through 6.
I don't think it'd be right. I can show you.
I hope you don't have to write them all. That's what I hope. Make sure it's neatly written. That's another purpose of writing them over, and make sure they're accurate.
Yes, sir.
Marnie, what number you on?
Question 3.
Question 3, where?
Here.
Why are you not rewriting your notes? And I told y'all to rewrite your notes from paper 3. Didn't I say that? To rewrite the questions, answer them. You wasn't there when I
Oh,
said
yes,
that?
sir.
Yeah, you were there. So why you not doing that? Kenyon, what number are you on?
Excuse me, Mr. D.
Yes, Javin.
Separate a minute, please.
Yes, you can. Kai, what number? Oh, yes, Kai. How could I forget Kai? Kai, where's Kai?
Yes, sir.
You're the main one. Where's my homework? Yeah, you thought you was getting away. Where's my homework? Where's it?
I didn't do it, sir.
Why you didn't do my homework, Kai? Why are you being irresponsible at such a young age? Why? Why are you doing this? You think this called for?
No, sir.
You need to do your homework, Kai. Make this your first and last time, man. Stop your foolishness. Once I assign homework, do it. I don't want to have to talk to you like this, but you're not doing your homework. And if you're going to be in my class, you have to respect my deadlines. You can't do what you want to do in this class. You understand? Kai, do you understand? I can't hear you yet. Something wrong with your mic. But you need to send that homework in today. So before you leave this class, you need to send that homework.
I just sent you my work.
You need to write this over. I already tell you, Jeremy, I'm not Bahama's waste. Start sending me garbage. Write neatly. I'm not the garbage bin. Why you keep on sending me garbage? Write neatly. So Jeremy, do that over. You're not in a competition. Write it over. Take your time. You hear me, Jeremy? All right. Darnick, what number you on?
I'm completely, I'm about to send it right now.
Okay. Deshaun, what number are you on? Deshaun.
Number 4.
Deshaun, we had homework. So what you need to do is you need to figure out what homework we had. In fact, before you leave it, you have to do that homework.
Yeah, sir.
And that also goes for Tyrone. Tyrone, you missed homework yesterday. Apparently you were sleeping. I don't get that for the life of me. So apparently you are sleeping. So what you need to do is before you leave class today, you need to finish my homework too, Tyrone. Where's Christian? Christian Sanders. And who else? Destiny, what number you on, Destiny?
I on number 4.
Number 4.
I'm back, Mr. Petit.
All right, no problem. Chai, what number are you on?
Number 4.
Shoshone, what number are you on? Shoshone, what number are you on? And Bailey, I'm still waiting on 126 to be sent. Shoshone, are you there? Hello, Shoshone, are you there? Yes, you answering, right? But you haven't answered, Shoshone, you haven't answered the question of why my homework, you haven't sent my homework yet. I need my homework before you leave this class, Shoshone, and you need to stop it. You need to stop cultivating these bad habits. Who else? Jevin, what number are you on?
You mean me?
Yes, Dad, just Jevin. What number are you on?
I can go on to number 4 now.
Number 4. Olivia, what number are you on?
Sorry, Ms. Petit, you gave us 5, right?
Yes, I give you 5, just 5.
Okay, I'm completed. I'm resending them to you.
Okay. I'm still waiting on you all to send the class notes. I mean, not the class notes, but the class assignment. Billy, what number are you on? Not what number are you on. I need the, I don't need the number that you're on. I need you to send the notes. That's what I need. All right, so all right, thank you, Miss Olivia. I have Olivia work, Darnick work. That's all I have. I'm still not receiving work from the rest of you. Tia, where's your work?
I just have to write a few more things for number 5, and then I'm sending it to you.
Okay. And Zarens, what number are you on? How about Ramon? Ramon, what number you on?
Number 4.
Oh, okay. Shion, what number are you on?
Number 5.
Okay. Talia, what number are you on?
We're finishing up number 5.
Okay. Hello, Kenny, what number are you on?
Number 5, I guess.
Okay. For your homework, why didn't you for number 10, why didn't you, and for number 8, not number 8 is good, but for number 10, you have 26 over 15. Why don't you divide 15 into why don't you see how much time 15 goes in 26? Why don't you divide?
I didn't forget that 5.
Well, you have to divide them. Kai, where's Kai?
Yes, sir.
It's blurry. I can't see it. All right, so let's actually do these questions together. Deja, can you help me with number 1, please? Alasia.
Yes, sir.
Come on, why have to call the name 100 times before you answer? I asked you to help me with number 1.
First, we have to find the lowest common multiple of 3 and 2.
Which is what?
6.
Let's go explain the thing. Explain it, Alasia. Come on. That's what you're there for. I asked you to explain it.
No. Then times 3 times 2 and 2 times 2 and 2 times 3 and 1 times 3. And that will give you 6 over 4 and 6 over 3.
Where you get 6 over 4 from? Why do you have 6 over
5 and 2 times 2.
2 times 2 is what?
4.
4. So why you say 6 over 4?
Oh, I meant 4 over 6.
But if you meant 4 over 6, you would say 4 over 6, eh?
Yes, sir.
And after that is what?
Add 4 plus 3 and that will give you
So you have 3 over 6. It's
7.
gonna give me what?
7 over 6.
Okay, and when we do the division, what we get?
We do the division, we get 6 times 7 will give us 6 divided by 7 will give us 1. Remainder 1.
So what's the mixed number?
1 over 6.
Very good. 1 and 1 6. Olivia, do me a favor.
Yes, sir.
This is how you write it. Don't have the 1 on top of the thing like that. You understand me, Olivia?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Go ahead, Jeremy.
I thought you said if there's a prime number for the numerator, it doesn't need to simplify.
Sir, we didn't simplify this. We just changed it into improper fraction. I don't understand why you're making this thing so complicated. If the top number is bigger than the bottom number, divide. Stop trying to make this thing complicated, Jeremy. If the top number is bigger than the bottom number, divide. It ain't that deep, bro. Destiny, not Destiny, Chai. Chai knows, let's go. I'm calling you, let's go. Chai knows, let's go.
Yes, sir.
Why do I have to call your name 1,000 times before you answer? Come on
My
now.
Sorry, sir. I was doing something at the time. First, you find the LCM.
So what you need to do is stop being distracted. That's the first thing.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
First, you find the LCM of 4 and 3, which is 12.
Mm-hmm.
And you times 4 times 3. And what you do to the bottom number, you do to the top number. So we times 3 times 3. And we times the other 3 times 4. And the 2 times 4. Which equals to 9 over 12 and 8 over 12.
Okay. So which answer gonna be?
And then we subtract both, which gives us 1 over 12.
1 over 12. Very good. Very good, Jai. Destiny, what you get for number 3?
I got 1.
Can you explain how we do number 3? You just heard Alicia and Chai explain it. Do you think I asked you to explain it, right? Come on. Go ahead, Deshaun.
May I use the ration list?
Yes, quickly. Next thing you know, you disappear for the next hour. I know how you go. Don't take too long. Go ahead, Destiny.
Okay, so you find the lowest common multiple for 85, which is 40. Then you see like how much it is like to get 40, which for 7 over 8 is you times that by 5, and then 3 over 5 you times that by 8.
Very good.
And then you get 35 over 40 plus 24 over 40. So
35.
then you are 35 over 40 and 24 over 40.
Okay.
So then you add 35 plus 24, which gives you 59. So then it's 59 over 40, but that's a mix. That's a mixed number.
That's not a mixed number. We don't call that a mixed number. Come on. That's not a mixed number. It's called an improper fraction.
Yeah. So it's an improper fraction. So you have to divide 40.
Where's Olivia? Give me one moment. Where's Olivia?
I'm seeing my mistake right now, Miss Pitty.
Okay.
So then you have to divide 40 by 59.
What you get when you do 35 and 24? What you get?
35.
35 plus 24, sorry. What you get?
59.
Over what?
40.
40. Okay. What you get after that?
So that's a
improper fraction.
Improper fraction. So you have to divide 40 by 59, which 40 can mean 40 goes into 59 one time. So 40 plus 1 is 40. So then you subtract 59 by 40, which gives you 19. Then you get 1. Hold on.
1 and what?
19 over 40.
1 and 19 over 40. Very good. Where's Tyrone?
Right here, sir.
Where's my work?
I won't be in home yet.
Send it via email then.
Yes, sir.
Do you know my email address?
Yes, sir, I know your email.
But send it to my email address. Take a picture of your work and send it to me, my email.
Yes, sir.
Are you done? Are you completed?
I'm on number 4.
Why are you taking so long to do these questions, Tyrone? Are you distracted?
No, sir.
So what's taking you so long to do these 5 questions? So let me ask a question. You think in the exam you're gonna have the world of time to do the questions?
No, sir.
Well, stop taking a slow time. You understand me? Tyrone, do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
All right then. All right, Deshaun, do number 4 for me, please. Where's Deshaun? Let me ask Darnie. Darnie, can you do the question for me, please? Number 4.
Oh. The lowest common multiple of 9 and 4 is 36. So we multiply 9 times 4 and 6 times 4 and 4 9 and 2 times 9 equals 54 over 36 equal subtract 18 over 36.
Great. So you're saying that the lowest common multiple is what?
36.
Darnie, you're gonna make it fun in my class, you know, but you have to do your homework on time. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
There's nobody should be sending homework late, man. Especially you. So this is gonna be what? 24 over what?
36.
Minus what?
18 over 36.
You don't harder than that.
18 over 36.
Harder than that.
And what do you do after that? What do you do after that, Darnie? I can't add Darnie. Darnie, what do you do after this? You have 24 over 36 and 18 over 36.
Subtract 24 and 18 equals 6 over 36.
Okay, good. 6 over 36. And what is 6 over 36?
Simplified 1 over 6.
Very good. 6 will go into both of them. So we divide top and bottom by 6. And we get 1 over 6. All right, good. Thank you, Darnie. Next person is Jevin. Jevin, what do we have?
For number 5, I got first you find a LCM of 12 and 11.
Very good. What's the LCM of 12 and 11?
11 is 22, 33, 44, 55.
No, I'm saying, what is the LCM? Just tell me the LCM, sir. All right, let me ask someone who can help him out. Deshaun, are you there? Can from Deshaun. Tia, can you help him with number 5?
Yes, so after you find the lowest common multiple,
What is the lowest common multiple? What is the lowest common multiple?
The lowest common multiple was, I got 110.
110. That's not right. Nope.
132.
132. Thank you. So 12 times 11 and 9 times 11 and 11 times 12 and 8 times what? 12. So what do we do from here? Kai, what do we do from here?
You call me Mr. D?
Mm-hmm.
12 times 11 would be 132. 9 times 11 would be 99. And 8 times 12 would be 96. So it would be 99 over 132 and 96 over 132. Then you would add 99 plus 96 and it become 188. And then you would divide it both. And I would turn it to 56 over 132.
Say it again for me, please. Wait. You said what is the lowest common multiple again?
The lowest common multiple is 132.
Mm-hmm.
So you would multiply 9 times 11 and you multiply 8 times 12.
Darnie?
And it become 99 and 8.
One
9
moment,
times
Kai.
11.
One moment, Kai. Darnie, please correct number 4.
Yes, so that's what I'm doing right now.
Okay, go ahead, Kai. 8 times 12 is what?
8 times 12 is 96.
Mm-hmm.
So on the line.
What is 11 times?
And you add 99 plus 96. And now it become 188 over 132. And then you divide 132 by 188.
So
and
99 plus 96 is what?
99 plus 96 is 188.
Kai, can you add? You're going to grade 9. Can you add?
Yes, sir.
So why are you telling me 99 plus 96 is 180 something? Can someone please tell them what is 99 plus 96?
195.
195. Alasia, help me out with this. After we get 195 over 132, what do we do?
Divide 195 by 132.
And what do we get? Hello, what do we get?
1 with 191 with 39 over 132.
You sure it's 39? Let's check. $132 into 195. How much times 132 goes in 195? One time, right?
Once.
So we subtract. Talia, where's your work? Vasilia,
Yes, sir.
where's your work?
I have to wait till my mommy wake up to send it.
Can you send me an email?
Yes, sir.
All right, then. Well, send me an email. What is 195 minus 132, Alasia?
63.
So why are you telling me another number?
I
what-
had did the multiplication wrong.
Oh, okay. So it's gonna be what, 63 over what?
132.
132. It's a big one. Okay. Are we done? Is that number can go into one and that can go into 63 and 132?
Is it 3?
Someone said it.
I said 3.
It is 3. 3 can go into those two numbers. So it's gonna be 1. How much time if we divide top and bottom by 3? How much time 63 goes? How much time 3 goes into 63? And how much times 132 goes into? How much times 3 goes into 133? So if you divide it, 3 goes into 63 21 times, and 3 goes into 132 44 times. So the answer actually is 1 and 21 over 44. All right. Did anyone get all right?
Yes, sir, me, Mr. Petit.
Okay, anyone else got all right? Did anyone get one wrong? One wrong, got one wrong. Hello, speak to me. Did anyone get one wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How about 2 wrong? All right, so
Does
this
it
is how
count if like, okay, does it count if like you forget like the next part of it?
it does count. You should know how to
So like, I just can't get like half a point for that.
know half a point. You need to simplify properly. All right, so please send in the work. I received work from Shion, from Shion, Shiana, Alasia, Matthew, Darnick, Kai, Destiny, Kenyon, Taya, Kai, Zarin, Jeremy, Julicia. I did not receive any work from Ramon. Where's Ramon? Ramon Raming. Why you do this every class? Send in the work. Tyrone, where's your work? Tyrone, where's your work?
Listening.
Again, is on. Please.
Say it again.
Yes, on the break, please.
Yes. Go ahead, Tyrone.
I just sent it, right?
You sent it what, via email?
Yes, sir.
I don't think you know my email address. Talia, where's the work? Talia,
Yes, sir.
where is the work? Where's the work?
I sent it now. I was doing something.
You can't be doing something else. Inside classes, you in classes from 6 to 9. If you have to do something very important, send a message inside the chat and say, Mr. Petit, give me a few minutes. Come on, man. I have to tell you all everything. Tyrone. Tyrone,
Yes, sir.
you have to resend this to the open hand. Why don't you send it inside the chat? You know how to send the notes inside the chat? You know how to do that?
No, sir.
Okay, well, send it to this email.
Okay.
And it's not okay. I don't know who teach you all to say okay. It's either yes or no, sir. Don't play with me. Okay.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Yes,
I go to the bathroom, please.
sure. All right, so okay, so what I'll do is I'll give you some homework. This is gonna be due on, I want you to send it to me on today's what? Today is Thursday. I want you to have something to do over the weekend. So what I'll do is, yeah, I really want you to have something to do over the weekend. So please take this homework down. It's gonna be based on the same adding of fractions of stuff. Wait, I'm gonna start sharing my screen. Give me one moment. Now for this homework, everyone must do it on time, submit it on time. I think we should. All right, so, all right, can y'all see it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write these questions down for me, please. It's only gonna be 10 questions as usual. Let me put it on the screen. So please copy this down. Let's do 12. All right, so these 12 questions are for you to do. Let me write the due date. It's gonna be due tomorrow. Tomorrow is what, Friday? Due Friday at 3 p.m. The same thing. And again, I didn't say 3:01. I didn't say 6:30. I said Friday at 3 p.m. If for any reason you know that you're doing something tomorrow and you can't do it during the day, well, right after class, make sure that you do it. In fact, those persons who did not submit their homework on time, which includes Malaysia, Talia, Doranique, Sheena, and who else? Just those, and Zarens. You can't leave until you finish this because I can't trust you to do homework on your own. You're not gonna submit it on time. So before we leave this class, I need you to submit this homework before you go. Because I don't trust you to submit it on time. You haven't earned that privilege yet. Because clearly you can't submit on time. You have a problem with time, it seems. So please write this down. And like I said, please submit it. It's due on tomorrow at 3 o'clock. On or before 3 o'clock. All right, so we have 4/5 minus 1/2, 5/6 plus 6/10, 4/8 minus 2/10, 1/4 minus 2/10, 3/4 plus 7/10, 3/5 plus 7/12, 3/8 minus 1/10, 1/2 minus 1/6, 9/10 minus 3/4, 5/6 plus 3/5, 3/5 plus 1/2, and 4/8 plus 8/10. There's a lot of tens in this. Like oddly a lot. 5, 2, 6, 10, 4, 10, 5, wow, 2, 6, 6, 5.
I'm done copying it down.
All right. Are you done copying it down? Okay. This homework is due what time?
3 p.m. 3 p.m. tomorrow.
3 p.m. tomorrow. Destiny, when is this homework due?
3 p.m.
What day? What day?
Friday.
Tomorrow. All right, so are we done writing it down? Can I move it?
Yes, sir.
Also, I have 2 more.
So.
Right, are we done with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, so if you're not doing, so we're gonna move on to health science and general science right now. Not health science, general science, I'm so sorry. Social studies and religious studies. Now, Zarens, you still have the state. Who else still have the state? Everyone who didn't submit their homework on time. Zarens, who else? Alasia, Talia, and Dorani. You also have the state. And make sure you all finish this homework before you leave class. But the rest of us, let's move on to social studies and religious studies. Krista Ford,
Yes, sir.
do you know what you're doing?
Yes, so I have the notes from when I was there, so I just looking back at it while I do it.
Okay, good. Content. So we're gonna be doing social studies. All right, so the first question goes to Alasia. Can you read this question for me, please?
How many hemispheres does the equator divide the Earth into? A, 2.
B, 4, C, 6, and D, 8. What's the correct answer, Alasia?
A, 2.
A, 2. Thank you. Jai, number 2.
Which hemisphere is the Bahamas located in? A, northern, B, southern, C, western, D, eastern. A, northern.
Very good. The Bahamas located in the northern hemisphere. Number 3, sorry. Destiny.
Which ocean is located near to the North Pole? A, Atlantic, B, Arctic, C, Indian, D, Pacific.
Okay, say the answer. Come on, Destiny. We do this so much time.
The answer is B.
Arctic, very good. So the North Pole, the ocean is located near the North Pole. If you look at the North Pole, sorry. If you look at the North Pole, see the ocean that's there is the Arctic Ocean. So the Arctic Ocean is located near the North Pole. Number 4, Deshaun, are you there? Or you having internet issues? Okay, I'm thinking he's having internet issues. Jevin, are you there?
I'm always here, Mr. Petit.
Can you read number 4, please? I just asked you a question. Don't answer me in the slip. Just answer the question, yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Can you read number 4, please?
Yes, sir. The largest continent in the world is A, Africa, B, Australia, C, Asia, D, North America.
Very
C,
good.
Asia.
Asia. So the largest continent in the world is Asia. So how much continents there are in total, though? Anyone know what is the total number of continents?
7.
7. There are 7 continents. Yes, that's true. So Asia is the largest continent. All right. Question number 5 goes to Jeremy. Read number 5, please.
Areas of very dry land are referred to as A, desert, B, savanna, C, tiger forest, and D, mangrove swamp. And the answer is A.
A, desert. Very good. If you have an area of dry land, it's referred to as the desert. Number 6, starting.
Which important line of latitude passes through the Bahamas? A, Arctic Circle, B, Tropic of Capricorn, C, the equator, D, the Tropic of Cancer.
The correct answer.
D, the Tropic of Cancer.
Very good. So Tropic of Cancer is a line of latitude that runs left to right, and it passes through the Bahamas. All right, so as you can see, this is the line of, this is the Tropic of Cancer, and it passes through the Bahamas. All right. Julicia, are you there? Julicia?
Yes, sir.
Julicia, were you here yesterday?
No, sir.
So that means you need to do yesterday's homework. Is that so?
Pardon me?
I said that means that you need to do yesterday's homework. You understand that? So
Yes,
after
sir.
class, don't leave. Don't leave early, because you have to do the homework from yesterday. Read this question, please, number 7.
Study the diagram and state which direction the wind is blowing from. A, easterly, B, northeasterly, C, northwest, and D, southwest.
What's the answer?
The answer is C.
C, northwest. And the reason why it's northwest is because if you look carefully, right? They say which direction the wind is blowing from. So it's blowing from northwest to get the southeast. Again, it's blowing from northwest to get the southeast. Okay, let's move on to question number 8. Kai, read number 8 for me, please.
How long does it take the Earth to
Kai.
Oh, okay then.
How long does it take the Earth to make one complete turn on its axis? A, 12 hours, B, 24 hours, C, 365 and 1/4 day, D, 36 years.
How long?
24 hours, B.
Very good. It takes 24 hours, and that's why we have the night and day, because the Earth is turning on its axis. Number 9. This one goes to Ramon Rame. Can you read number 9, please?
Which two are major
Industries.
industries in the Bahamas? A,
Aragonite mining.
aragonite mining and clothing.
Manufacturing.
Cotton. B, banking and
Canning.
C,
Tourism and banking.
tourism and banking. D, tourism and manufacturing. C,
Manufacturing.
manufacturing.
No. Say it properly. Manufacturing.
Manufacturing.
Okay. That's the correct answer.
The answer is C.
So, Ramon, what are 2 major industries in the Bahamas?
tourism, and banking.
Very good. Number 10. I think we was on number 10, eh? All right, so we're on number 10. So since we're on number 10, please, let's head up from here. And today is what? Today is Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. So we're gonna head up here. Today is the 3rd of August, 2023. The subject is, of course, social studies. All right, so for this one, I want us to look at question number 10. So we're gonna start on with question number 10. I want Rashad to read number 10, please.
Which scale on the map uses both ratio and fraction? A, metric scale. B, linear scale. C,
Linear scale.
Linear scale. C, word scale. And D, representative fraction.
Representative fraction. So say that word for me, representative fraction.
Representative fraction.
Good. So they asking you, Rashad, what scale on the map uses ratio and fraction? And so ratio is this, something like 2 to 4. It's a ratio. And a fraction is something like this, 2/4. Okay. So which scale on the map uses all two of them, ratio and representative fraction? Someone said it.
D.
D. D is correct, representative fraction. So the correct answer for this one is D. Please write this down. Again, please write this one down.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Uh-huh.
I sent you a message via WhatsApp.
Six times 5. Alicia, you hear me?
Yes, sir.
You understand that? 6 times 5. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Good. So when we say representative fraction, this is what we mean. So if you look at, this is what they have in geography. So if you look at this, right, as you can clearly see, this is your scale. And so if they have it in representative fraction form, it says 1 to 250,000 or 1/250,000. That is representative fraction. And we could see it in geography and maps and stuff in the scale. All right, so this would mean, but this is what they mean by representative fraction, when you have a ratio or you have a fraction. All right, and that's what it is. That's what representative fraction is, where you can have it as a ratio or as a fraction. So let's move on to question number 10. Are y'all finished writing this down, or still need some time to write this down?
I'm done.
Anyone else still writing this down? Hello, I'm speaking to you all. Are you still writing this down, yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay, then we'll speak. How am I supposed to know if you don't talk? All right, number 11. Shion, can you read number 11, please?
Yes, sir. Symbols used on the map helps you to locate place. A, locate place easily. B, find distance. C, read the information. D, now no title of the map.
So what do we use the symbols on the map to do?
Can I try?
It's
Locate
Shion's
place
question.
easily. A,
Okay, that's what you think it is? Shion?
yes, sir.
Okay, Taya, you agree or disagree?
I agree.
Yes, I agree as well. It is A. So we use symbols on a map to help us to locate places easily. So the correct answer here is definitely A. All right, let's move on to, sorry, are we done with the slide?
No, sir. No, couple man. No, sir.
Okay. All right, are we good?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, number 12. Okay, so number 12, I'm going to ask Shakaina Kalma, can you read number 12, please? Shakaina? Your mic is not working because I can't hear you when you're speaking. So let me ask Talia to do it. Talia, read number 12 for me, please. Talia, can you read number 12 for me, please?
Number 12, a group of islands is called A, archipelago, B, keys, C. I don't even know what that say.
Can you try to pronounce it, please?
Islam, wait.
Isthmus.
Isthmus
Yes.
and the peninsula.
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 Peninsula. You haven't learned about peninsula in school and isthmus?
No, sir.
In social studies, you haven't learned this?
No, I just started doing social studies like this year.
What you was doing before that?
I didn't take social studies.
Like, what were you doing? Everything except for social studies?
Yes, so.
Wow, that's weird. Okay, go ahead. What is the group of islands for? Oh, come on. A group of islands.
Wait.
Man.
Okay. B?
Jesus, keeping that across.
Wait. Try? No, it's A. It's A.
Answer it.
It's A. It's A.
It's A, archipelago. Thank you. You live in an archipelago, sweetie?
I was confused. I was thinking I was to right, and then, yeah, okay.
It's archipelago. In the Bahamas, an archipelago? Do I need to give you a picture of archipelago? Look, I need to give you a picture of archipelago. Look. An archipelago is an area that contains a chain or a group of islands that are scattered in lakes, rivers, or the ocean. If we look at the Bahamas, clearly, we are archipelago. For us. All right, so look at us. Okay, now Bahamas map. Some pretty waters, boy. Okay, look, clearly, I want the actual like thingy thing. So if you look at this, look at that, look at it. Look at all these islands. That's why we call it archipelago. What is this island? Anyone know?
Grand Bahama.
Grand Bahama, very good. What is this island?
Abaco.
Abaco, very good. What is this island?
Andros.
Andros, very good. What is this island?
Lutra or Nassau.
What? What is this island?
Nassau.
New Providence. Okay. So we are an archipelago. Very pretty waters. Oh my goodness. With the God that they stay like that. All right, number 12. So this will be out for number 12. Bailey, what number you on?
I just gone on to number 9 because I had to find. Yeah, 8 a little difficult.
Number 1 is done completely wrong.
For real?
No, for false. Completely wrong. You just put the answer. Who does that? You need to show the work in. Come on, Bailey. Show work in. I don't understand why I even need to tell you that. You going in grade 12, bro? Y'all just make your life hard and make my life even harder. So you have to show working for that. Naya, why do I have to tell them that you have to show working for question 1? Why? Where's Naya?
Yes, sir. I was trying to figure out if you called my name or not.
Yes, I'm asking you, why do I have to tell them to show work in? Shouldn't he know that he should have to show work in? Should he know that already?
Yes, sir.
That's common sense, Bailey. Huh. I don't get it. President of JA, MDO, MBO, all that stuff. I don't know how this is working. I don't get it, Bailey. Okay. All right. Go ahead and Taya, read number 13, please.
Yes, sir. A political map shows the blank of a place. Is it
Can you read the options for me, please? Can you read the options, please?
Oh, sorry. A political map shows the blank of a place. A, height. B, boundaries. C, natural features. D, population.
So what does a political map show?
Is it B?
Boundaries?
Can I try?
Yes, you can try.
Is it D?
Depopulation? Anyone else want to
sir.
try? A political map.
C.
Someone said C, natural features. Who said C? Say it again. Doranique said C. Okay, so actually the correct answer is B, boundaries. A political map shows the boundaries. Now, I'm not sure what we mean by that. So someone said the natural features, and the map that shows natural features is actually called a physical map. So if you look at say, if you go online and just type in physical map, like physical map, what you will see is you will see like a bunch of mountains, and like it's showing you the basically the natural things of the natural features of the environment or of the country. So a physical map shows the natural, like, you know, the lakes, the mountains, all those natural features in the physical map. Okay, so as you can see, if you look at the physical map, what do we see? We see the Great Basin, we see the Grand Canyon, right? We see natural things, we see the rivers being shown, right? We see the Atlantic and Gulf coastal plains. So this is showing the natural territory, like what occurs in a natural environment, right? So as you can see from the definition of a physical map, it says clearly that a physical map, a map shows, so a physical map, okay, let's do a physical map. Definition. Yeah, so physical map shows geographical features. So deserts, plains, mountains, and water bodies. That's a physical map. All right. So that's physical. Physical map contain natural features. But a political map, that's going to show the boundaries. Like if you're trying to find a location, of a place, you need a political map. All right. Because if the political map is going to show the boundaries, it's going to show the roads, it's going to show all those different things. So a physical map, for example, look at the physical map of the United States, right? This shows the different states and the boundaries between them. So we have Texas, Colorado, Oregon, California. Wow, California is far. Wow, that's crazy. Florida, right? Oklahoma, Ohio, and the like, right? Texas and stuff. This is a physical map. Why is this a physical map? Can someone tell me why is this a physical map?
It shows the borders.
It shows the borders, it shows the boundaries between the countries, right? Or between the states. It's not interested in the natural features. So So that's the difference. So the correct answer here is physical. Excuse me, a political map shows the boundaries of a place. Okay, as we can see from here, it shows this is a political map of the United States, and it shows the boundaries of the United States, the different boundaries that are there with the states, how much space it occupies. Washington is so far. That's pretty far. Anyone ever went to Washington before? Any Washington?
I have.
Okay, cool. You went far.
I have been in Washington.
Okay, who's that speaking? I can't identify the voice. Anyone? Washington is pretty far. Wow. Wow. And how many anyone ever been to California? Las Vegas, California.
I've been to California and Las Vegas.
Oh, this is Tyrone. Okay. Tyrone, you've been pretty far. How long was the airplane ride?
I don't know. I don't remember. I just
Just know you've been. So you just left. All right, so number 13 is the political map. It shows the boundaries, right? All right, so once you finish with these questions, take a picture of them and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, once you finish with these questions, take a picture of it for me and send it to me via WhatsApp. That's everyone. Again, once you finish with this, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. Are we done with this data, or I need to keep it?
I'm done.
All right. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. So far, I only have Alicia's work and Chevin's work. And Kenyan and Shion. Talia, I'm waiting on your work. You're doing the same thing. Tyrone, I need your work. Doranique, I need your work. Rashad, where's the rest? Very good.
I already sent all.
Yes, I see it.
But yeah, just like my work.
Okay. All right, so let's move on to religious studies. Again, people like Tyrone, Talia, Shiana, Rashad, Darnik, Kenyon, Kai, Alicia. Y'all need to send the homework that y'all didn't send from yesterday. And also you need to do the homework that I sent you today before you leave this class. All right, but we're gonna go on to the religious studies now. And
Mr. Petit,
go ahead.
For the first section for inverses, right? I have to work out all because it says state if it's inverses or not. Do I work it out before I state if it's an inverse or just like it's like some of them are obviously not
How you know that they're not inverses?
because they have the same like they're both fractions.
Okay. That's not how we tell if something is inverse or not. That's not how we tell. And how we tell that the function is one is inverse of another. We take the composition of one. So the composition of one into the other, or when we put one into the other, we should get X. When we put the other one into the other one, we should get X. That's how you check. If when you do that, you don't find it, then you can say it's not inverse. You can't just look at it and say that. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me.
All right, so we're gonna move on to English, not English, religious studies. Yes.
Can't see your screen.
Yeah, I know. I haven't started sharing it yet. Denai, what number you on? Lanaya, what number are you on?
Oh, me? Sorry. I'm on number 5.
Okay. All right, so let's begin. Send me 1 through 5, 1 through 4, please. I want to see how you're doing it. So we're gonna do the topic of the Lord's Supper. I need 2 readers. So Talia, not Talia, I'm sorry. Taya and Kai. So Taya, you would read the first verse, Kai would read the second until you're finished. What is this, 19 to 30?
Yes, sir.
No. This is 19 to 30. That's a lot. So what we'll do is we'll do Taya, Kai, and Talia. Talia, you here?
Yes, sir.
So you're gonna be the third one in the rotation. So it's gonna be Taya first, then Kai, then you, and then it rotates. So Taya, Kai, Talia, Taya, Kai, Talia, Taya, Kai, Talia, until y'all finish the verses. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. So go ahead. Kai, are you there? Make sure he's there first.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right, so let's begin. So the topic is the Lord's Supper, taken from Matthew 26, verses 19 to 30. Go ahead, Taya.
The Lord's Supper, Matthew chapter
Just begin
26.
reading the verse. Just begin reading the
Okay.
verse.
And the disciples did as Jesus appointed them. And they and they made ready the Passover.
Very good.
When the even was come, he sat down with the 12.
Very good.
And as they did eat, he said, I say unto you that one of you shall betray me.
Talia, nothing is funny.
And they were exceeding sorrowful and began every one of them to say unto him, Lord, is it I?
And he answered and said, He that dippeth his hand with me in the dish, the same shall betray me.
The Son of Man goeth as it is written of him. But, hold up.
Whoa. The word is whoa.
Sorry, I know, but my screen, it keep going smaller. Okay. The Son of Man goeth as it is written of him. But woe unto that man by whom the Son of Man is betrayed. It had been good for that man if he had not been born.
Then Judas, which betrayed him, answered and said, Master, is it I? He said unto him, Thou hast said.
Thou said.
Thou hast said.
As they were eating, Jesus took bread and blessed it and broke it and gave it to the disciples and said, Take, eat, this is my body.
Let's go to Leo.
And he took the cup and gave thanks and gave to them, saying, Drink ye all of it.
For this is my blood of the New Testament, which is shed for many for the remission of sins.
Remission of sins.
Remission of sins.
But I say unto you, I will not drink henceforth of this fruit of the vine until that day when I drink it new with you in my Father's kingdom.
Very good.
And they had sung an hymn. They went out into the Mount of Olives.
All right, thank you. Next persons, I want
I can read
Chad. You want to read? Okay. I want Rashad, Chai, Knowles, and I need a girl. Destiny, are you there?
I'm here.
Okay. So Rashad, Chai, Destiny, Rashad, Chai, Destiny, in that order. So you're going to start from verse 19. Go ahead, Rashad.
And the disciples did as Jesus had appointed them, and they had made ready for the Passover.
Now when the evening was come, he sat down with the 12.
And as they did eat, he said, Verily, I say unto you, that one of you shall betray me.
And they were exceeding sorrowful, and began every one of them to say unto him, Lord, is it I?
And he answered and said, He that dippeth his hand with me in the and the dish, the same shall betray me.
The Son of Man, God, that's how
Goeth.
you pronounce Goeth, as it is written of him. But unto that, and
Whoa.
unto
Whoa.
unto that,
No.
unto
Whoa.
that, woe,
Yes. Whoa.
woe unto that man by whom the Son of Man is betrayed. It had been good for the man if he hadn't not been born.
Then Judas, which betrayed him, answered and said, Master, is it I? He said unto him, Thou hast said.
And as they were eating, Jesus took bread and blessed it, and brake it, and gave it to the disciples, and said, Take, eat, this is my body.
And he took the cup and gave thanks and give it to them, say, Drink ye all of it.
Drink ye all of it.
Drink ye all of it.
For this is my blood of the New Testament, which is shed for many of the remission of sin.
Very good.
But I say unto you, I will not drink henceforth of this fruit of the wine until the day when I drink it new with you in my Father's kingdom.
Very good.
And when they had sung
Sung at him.
sung and him, they went they went out into the mountain of Olives.
Mount of Olives.
Mount of Olives.
All right, thank you. All right. Naya, can you read this, please?
Pen of inspiration. These are the things we are never to forget. The love of Jesus, with its constraining power, is to be kept fresh in our memory. Christ has instituted this service that it may speak to our senses of the love of God that has been expressed in our behalf.
Thank you. All right, so I want us to answer some questions based on the reading. And I want you to put your answers in the chat for me, please. Do we have enough time for me to explain what happened?
So, Mr. D, we could write them down in our box as well, or just in the chat?
No, just write it in the chat. Just type the answer in the chat. We don't have enough time to write it in your books. If you want to take a screenshot of it, that'll be good. So question, you can put inside the chat, everyone to put inside the chat, please, not just some. Name of the disciple that betrayed Jesus. Is it A, Peter, B, John, C, Judas, or D, Thaddeus? Jeremy, listen carefully. You only need to put the answer once. You don't have to put it 1,000 times, man. All right, thank you, Jevin. Thank you, Destiny. Thank you, Rashad. Thank you, Tia. Thank you, Chai. And Talia. Alasia, where's Alasia? Why are you not answering? Alasia.
Yeah.
Yeah, but why are you not answering? Put your answer inside the chat. That's what I said. All right, Tyrone, where's your answer? Where's your answer in the chat? Tyrone, where's your answer in the chat? Everyone should be answering. Where's Tyrone? Tyrone, are you there? Tyrone, I'm calling your name.
Yes, sir.
Why are you not answering in the chat?
I just answered, sir.
You just answered after I called your name 1,000 times. Answer in the chat. That's what I said from the get-go 5 minutes ago. Stop playing around, man. You hear me? Stop playing around. And answer in the chat when I tell you to answer. All right, so the name of the disciple that betrayed Jesus is actually C, Judas. Judas is the name of the disciple that betrayed Jesus. Peter denied Jesus. Peter did not betray Jesus. Okay. So the correct answer is C, Judas.
I mustn't say that, Mr. P.
You messy. You can't be messing in these exams. All right. Put your answer inside the chat, please. Which Jewish festival did the Lord's Supper replace? Is it A, Lent, B, Passover, C, First Fruits, or D, Yom Kippur? Put your answer inside the chat, please. Which Jewish festival did the Lord's Supper replace? Is it A, Lent, B, Passover, C, First Fruits, or D, Yom Kippur? That's everyone, please. Put your answer inside the chat. Everyone, please. Put your answer in the chat. Where's Krista? Krista Ford. Are you serious? Oh boy. Multiply the. Okay, good. You're in the right track. Now multiply the 2 by the numerator.
Oh. Okay. Thank you.
Oh boy, this could be long. All right, so the correct answer here is, let me see what I'll put in the chat.
Wait. So after I do that, it's just a fraction on top of a fraction?
Yeah. And you have to subtract, and then there's going to be 12, negative 12 over 1 minus.
Oh, and
yeah. Okay. So it's going to be, the answer is B, Passover. All right, let's move on to question number 3. Lanaya, can you read this for me, please? Lanaya.
Sure. Number 3, when did Jesus have the Last Supper? A, in the morning, B, in the afternoon, C, in the evening, or D, at noon?
Thank you.
Mr. T, can I be excused, bathroom, please?
Yes, quickly. Put your answer inside the chat, please. Everyone put your answer inside the chat. When did Jesus have the Last Supper? In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, or at noon? Everyone answering, please. Where's Tyrone? Tyrone, why are you not answering inside the chat? Same thing about Talia. Talia, why are you not answering in the chat? That's what I've been saying. But you all just do your own thing. Answer in the chat, please.
Mr. Petit, I already answered.
Is your name Talia or Tyrone? Which one? All right. When did he have the Last Supper? Anyone could answer. It's gonna be what?
Evening?
In the evening, yes. He had it in the evening. Number 3. I mean, in the evening, I say in the evening and I put in B. All right, yes, it is C, in the evening. All right, good. Question number 4, true or false? Jesus did not know that one of his disciples would betray him, true or false? Everyone answering, please. Jesus did not know that one of his disciples would betray him, true or false? True or false? Jesus did not know that one of his disciples would betray him, true or false? Everyone answering, please. True or false? Jesus did not know that one of his disciples would betray him. All right, the answer is actually false. Jesus did know, he did know that one of his disciples was betraying him. And what is the name of the person who would betray him?
Judas.
Judas.
Judas, very good. Number 5. Just the following was not present at the Lord's Supper. Not present. Is it A, wine, B, bread, C, cup, or D, a phone? Which of the following was not present at the Lord's Supper? A, wine, B, bread, C, cup, or D, phone, which is not present? All right, so the correct answer is definitely D. A phone was not there at the Lord's Supper. Number 6. What is the bread eaten at the Lord's Supper symbol of? Is it A, Jesus's body, B, Jesus's crown, C, Jesus's kingdom, or D, Jesus's mother? Everyone answering, please. Sarens, thank you. Dornick, thank you. Everyone answering, please. Shiana, Destiny, Chion, Tyrone, Taya, Jevin. What is the bread eating at the Lord's Supper symbol of? A, Jesus's body, B, Jesus' crown, C, Jesus' kingdom, or D, Jesus' mother? Yes, the correct answer is A, Jesus' body. Also, the Lord's Supper is a symbol of the bread, at least. All right. Number 7. What was the symbol at the Lord's, what was the wine at the Lord's Supper symbol of? Is it A, the early church, B, the Puritans, C, Lazarus's resurrection, or D, Jesus's blood? What was the wine at the Lord's Supper symbol of? The early church, the Puritans, Lazarus's resurrection, or D, Jesus's blood? Everyone answering, please. It's number 7. What was the wine at the Lord's Supper symbol of? All right. Tyrone, okay, good. D, Jesus's blood that was shed for the sins of the world. Number 8. The wine at the Lord's Supper made the disciples drunk. That's a good one. True or false? The wine at the Lord's Supper made the disciples drunk. True or false? So wait on the rest. The wine at the Lord's Supper made the disciples drunk. True or false? Talia, I'm still waiting on you to respond. I still don't see you. The wine at the Lord's Supper made the disciples drunk. True or false? False. Very good. It is false. The wine given at Lord's Supper was unfermented wine. It did not cause them to be drunk. Jesus would never drink fermented wine. He is not an alcoholic. All right, number 9. Where did Jesus say he will drink the fruit of the vine again? Is it A, in Gethsemane, B, in his Father's kingdom, C, in Galilee, or D, in Judea? Number 9, where did Jesus say he will drink the fruit of the vine again? A, in Gethsemane, B, in his Father's kingdom, C, in Galilee, or D, in Judea? All right, bring those answers in. Where did Jesus say he will drink the fruit of the vine again? Talia, why are you always the last one to answer? Are you waiting for the rest of them to answer so you could copy from them?
No, I was answering the homework questions.
The correct answer is B. In his Father's kingdom. And the final question, number 10. I think it's the final question, yeah. True or false? After the Lord's Supper, Jesus and his disciples sang a hymn. True or false? After the supper, Jesus and his disciples sang a hymn. True or false? True. All right. The answer is definitely true. Okay, so the following persons can leave. Destiny, you can go. Remember to send my homework tomorrow before 3 o'clock. Chai, you can leave. Remember to send my homework before 3 o'clock tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Bye now.
Doronique, did you send in the homework from yesterday and today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can leave. And good night. Jeremy.
Yes,
Jeremy,
sir. Yes, sir.
what time is my homework supposed to be submitted?
3 o'clock.
Before 3 o'clock. Who else? Jevin, yeah, you could go.
Yes, sir.
Jevin, you could go.
Okay. Thank you. Bye. Have a
All
great
right, take care. Take care. Shion, you could go.
Okay, good night.
Good night. Remember, the homework is supposed to be done tomorrow
Yes, sir.
at 3. And Taya, you can go.
Good night.
Good night. All right, the rest of you, who's after that now? Talia. Where's Talia?
Yes, sir.
Did you submit the first homework?
Yes, sir.
You send that to your what? Your mommy or you?
My mommy.
Okay, so submit the second homework and then you can go after you finish the second.
Hey, you only get disconnected. I rejoined. I only get
Okay.
disconnected. I wasn't leaving.
Okay. Rashad, the reason why I wanted you to stay back is because you missed the homework. So I need to give you the examples, and then I need to give you the homework for you to do. That's why I want you back.
Okay.
It's not okay. I keep on telling you, but okay. It's either yes or no in this class. I keep on telling you that. All right, so Who else? One moment, Rashad, before I deal with you, I need to deal with some other stuff. Kai,
Yes, sir.
I need you to send in the second homework, please.
Like the first homework you sent, you asked.
No, I said the second one. You already sent in the first one, right?
I sent in the homework that you gave us today.
When did you send that?
I didn't send it on my movie phone. I sent it on the other phone. I sent that at 8:33 p.m. Yeah, you pretty sure you saw it. That's the newest one. The phone wasn't big enough to see everything because if I did pull up any higher, you wouldn't be able to. You could
Yeah, I
probably
don't understand this, bro. I don't understand it. You don't have no work and you just getting answers out of nowhere. I don't accept this. You need to do it. Showing working. Show me how you times, what you times by. Show me where you divide. You can't just give me answers. I don't know if you use Mathway or Symbol Lab or MathPop. I don't know. So you need to show me working. You can't just give me answers. Who does that? So what you're gonna do now is do them over, but show me how you got your answers.
Yes, sir.
And the same thing applies to your homework that you gave initially. Or do them. You need to do over. Do them over right now, please. Show working. And secondly, why aren't writing is so deplorable? Take your time and write. There's no rush. Show me what numbers you multiply it by. Show me how you divide, what you divide by. You shouldn't be doing them in one line. The way how you're working supposed to be is just like this. This is how you're working supposed to be. You understand me, Ken? Kai? Kai?
Can you go back to the questions, please?
Hello?
Yes, sir.
You understand me, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rashad, I said I will come to you. I'm not to you yet. I have to deal with these other students before I get to you because you have to do from question one. Where's Shekinah? Where's Shekinah? Shekinah, are you there? Where's Shekinah? Shekinah? God. I can't hear you, Shekinah. Oh, Shekinah, you need to submit the second homework and then you can go. Submit the second homework and then you can leave. Because you decided to submit your homework late, so I can't trust you to do it again. Submit your second homework and then you can go. Zarens, where's Zarens?
Yes, sir.
Submit the first two homework and then you can go, please.
Pardon me?
Submit homework 1 and 2 and then you can leave.
Right.
And it's not all right. I don't know who you're talking to, but all right. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
Submit the first and second homework and you can go. Shekinah, submit the first two homework and then you can go. I don't know where Elijah gone. I never sent. Did I send Elijah? I can't remember. What's his name? Julicia.
Yes, sir.
You was in there from yesterday, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you and Rashad, you need to take the pictures of this and do it for me. Wait 1 moment. Let me find it first. That would be. I think it's this. Yeah, that'd be this. Okay, so. All right, take screenshot of this. This is the first one from yesterday. Rashad and Julicia. Take a photo of this, please. Let me know when I can move the screen.
I ain't gonna lie, boy. It's too much.
Zarens, what is too much? Zarens, what is too much?
I thought
What is, pardon?
I was talking to somebody.
About what? You ain't talking about my class too?
No, sir.
Oh, I thought you were talking about my class. All right, Julicia and
Ariel, where you screenshot it?
ready to screenshot it? Okay.
Yes.
Risha, Julicia, you got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right, this is how you do it. Let me know when to move.
You could move. Yes.
Okay. Second one.
And that's the one I just screenshot just now?
No, the first one was this one, then it's this.
Okay, thank you.
I can move now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Hello, good night, can you hear me? Alicia, why you leave? Yeah, but I didn't tell you, I didn't tell you to leave though. You're just gone. You leave when I tell you to leave. You don't leave when you feel like. I didn't even check them. So please rejoin. I don't know who you trying to adopt. All right. I can move, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, so this is the next one. This is number 3.
You could move.
Okay. And this is the graded exercises.
Okay, I already got that.
And this was the homework from yesterday.
Okay, got it.
Okay, Julissa, you got them?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let me give you today's work.
Done.
Okay.
I done.
Okay.
You could go ahead, sir.
Okay. This is the homework. This is the second homework. Shekinah.
I already got this.
Okay, good. All right, so what I want, Julissa, can you hear me? Julissa and Rashad.
Yes, sir.
What y'all need to do is y'all need to do homework 1 before y'all leave. Hello, good night.
Good night.
Can I speak to Shekinah Liz? All right, so Julicia and Rashad, make sure I do homework 1 before y'all go. And then you could do homework 2, which is due tomorrow. But I need y'all to do homework 1 before y'all go. Do you understand that? I'm talking to y'all too and y'all ain't responding.
Yes, sir.
And Rashad,
Yes,
you
sir.
understand that? Do homework,
Yes, sir.
do homework 1 before you go. If you need help, I'm ready to help you. if you don't understand what to do for homework 1. Especially you, Rashad, because I know you was in there. So if you need help and you don't understand the notes, let me know. Hello? Hello, Shekinah? Why did you just leave? I never said you could leave, and you have work that's missing, and you just leave. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You didn't wait until I showed the screen for you to see it. Would you just leave? I never told that you could leave. So you have to rejoin. You're not finished yet. Everybody just want go, 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 and nobody finished their work. That don't make no sense. How you go and you ain't finish your work? How? Let me end the recording. We don't need to be recording this. Rashad, do you understand how to do it?